Today we're getting, I'm getting my sister a car out.
Okay.
Thank you for all the subscribes and the likes and the support. Today we're getting my sister a brand new 2022
He doesn't even know. Yeah.
Honda Accord or something?
Honda Accord.
Honda Accord. So keep blessing your boy so I can keep blessing me out.
Okay.
How do you feel with your new car now?
Happy.
Woo! What's your next goal now?
To become a dental hygienist.
Woo!
And hopefully a doctor. I want to become a doctor.
Oh.
Like my motto is, if I can't find the right doctor, then I'll become the right doctor.
Ooh, I like that. Look at her, she got a new car, guys. Proud of my sister. All right, guys, so my sister got a new car. Let's wait for the ambulance. My sister got a new car. Wait. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why would she do that? She drove right through the freaking area right there. Say bye. Okay, I'll see you later. And that's cool for her. I'm proud of her, but she just almost messed that shit up right now. Did you see her go through there? Freaking crazy. We got to experience that moment and see her take off in her new car, and I'm sure she's all happy now after struggling for a little bit. But it's the struggles that make you better, and hopefully she stays blessed. Today we're gonna bring Ari, my German Shepherd, to come and take a bath. We haven't taken her a bath in a while, but here at Tractor Supply they have this, well, not all of them I guess, but some of them have a dog station where you go and take them a bath for like $10. They provide the shampoo, the towels, the heat dryer, you know, and it's a little bit easier because it's like instead of if you're doing it at home, you're bending your back in the shower or outside, you know, with the water hose. Here they have like a higher elevated shower for the dogs. So we brought Ari to take a bath, and we've been noticing that she has like a lot of ticks. Her and my other little Chihuahua. So I want to take her a bath, get her clean, and then start fixing towards maybe taking off the ticks, doing the tick spray. You know, I don't even know if there's shots, but I'm gonna try to find that out. So come with me and let's go take her a bath. You know what?
Like, this is you trying to co-parent with a dog.
Is
like,
there...
That's how stupid you are. Just so you guys know, this is Amy, always trying to be chicle.
Sure, that was my idea. Okay, so we're gonna give Ari a bath.
Come on.
Yo, yo, yo. We got Babes in the house. We got Primo in the house. Doing a hike here in the wilderness. So we can try it out today. We out here. We out here. Trying this trail. It's a little hike today with the boys. Sometimes I think some nature helps soothe your soul as well. Get to see like all the woods around here. Yeah.
Waking up knowing there's a reason. All my dreams come alive. Life is for living. With you, I've made my decision. You lift me up.
So we just saw some pigs. Well, hogs, or I don't even know what they're called, but they're basically invasive here in Texas. And they say if you see them, you can kill them. But we're out in the wilderness, we're in their territory, so there ain't no killing them. Look, you can see all the tracks right here, all their little heavy ass feet. It's kind of scary to be out here in the wilderness, but it's kind of cool too though. The thing that I would be scared of is the mountains. Well, not the mountains, but the bears. You know what I mean? Like a hog, yeah, you can kind of get away with it. Yeah. A mountain lion probably won't go after you too much, but
those are things that won't hesitate, bro.
Yeah, exactly. And they're just so big. Like you know, you're 70% you're gonna lose that battle, bro. But I don't know. I have like my red flag is thinking I can still fight it. Thinking I can fight a bear. I feel like I'm more agile, like I can move, well, drop down a little bit quicker, roll around. But I don't know, they're just big, bro. They're fierce. They have no like fear in them. Once you get out here from away from civilization, away from home, away from your phone, kind of peaceful. I mean, shit, me and Primo have been talking this whole time, but when you're out here by yourself, kind of helps your thought process, helps you unwind, helps you relieve stress. Going to the gym is cool, but as I get more athletic throughout my time, I don't know if I can say I'm athletic, but as I learn more about the fitness and healthy world, stupid bug in my freaking face. There's a lot of things that you can do to stay fit, not just be at the gym. You don't have to be at the gym. You don't have to, you know, do heavy weights. If running is your thing, then do that. If hiking, biking is your thing, then do that. But I think the main goal is to stay fit, or at least try to, you know, constantly. For your own self. Hey, did you see that video I sent you? It was like we're supposed to stay fit for the fact that I don't know what it says, something like to protect our kids, our offspring, something along those lines.
On TikTok?
Yeah.
I saw you had sent me a video, but I didn't get to watch it.
And looks like we reached kind of like the top of a mountain here, or like a hill, not a mountain.
Life is for living. With you, I've made my decision. You lift me up, fill my eyes with wonder. Forever young in your love, this freedom's untainted. With you, no moment is wasted. See the sun now bursting through the clouds, black and white, turn to color all around. All is new in the Savior I have found. This is living now.
live in it? Do I live in it? So astounding. Love is an ocean, you can drown me. The sweet embrace, the lovely taste, I taste and see.
What's up, chat? We out here.
We're gonna have to go across this?
We're just gonna go like right here, just to see the water. Just make sure you don't fall through the cracks. We'll get you like right here. Look, get you right here. You're shitting what?
Shit, fucking huge ass bitch right now. See those fucking balls?
Okay, we're out here in the wilderness again, doing a walk trail today with Bobs and Babesies here in the nature. So this time it has palm trees. Oh look, so that right there is like a lake. Well, not a lake, but like a little pond. We'll see right now. The last time there was like hogs when we went out to another one, like these big like boars, wild hogs. That's pretty crazy. It's kind of cool. Kind of feels cool today. Oh look, where you can see. But it's weird because it's like all with algae. Get like a pebble and throw it in. See what it looks like. One of those pebbles and shit. Oh yeah. Okay. That's weird. Like, how is it all just like? I bet you there's so much sickness in there. Like, if you had an open wound and you were to fall in there, you're just gonna die from the infection. And there's probably like snakes in there too. All right, so we out here in the wilderness. I really like coming out here. I really like doing this whole walk thing. It's pretty cool. Eases the mind. I just got out of work and did a 8-hour shift, and at work got people that would just be arguing with you for no reason, never want to be wrong. So coming out to nature helps me unwind and just kind of settle my mind, and I think that's really healthy for my mental health. I like it. Imagine coming here when there's like super, like so much crazy mosquitoes. It's like a big breeding ground for mosquitoes. They say men are better at directions than women. Naturally, it's in your nature to know like where you're going, and to always have like the mindset, like a man is always supposed to know where he's going in his life, or like in directions. Like girls, they don't pay attention to that stuff. Like, for example, do you hear like the highway? Yeah. So you can hear like, okay, I can go that way, or you know, just like knowing where you came from. You gotta like always pay attention to stuff like that. Okay, let's go back that way. As a boy or as a man, you guys are always supposed to be aware of your surroundings too, like just always watching, especially if you have people that you love with you, like you know, your mom, your sisters. Always like be aware of what's going on, of like any danger all the time. Pretty cool out here. I like the quietness. I don't know, like with me, I like the feeling of the quietness, like being like surrounded by all this just kind of makes me feel peaceful. Like if we had mountains, I would like to be in a mountain, like go hike up a mountain. I'd be scared of the bears though, but I would still want to try it. Like they have like a little rest place.
This one is like Jurassic World.
Jurassic World? Yeah, it kind of feels like that. It's kind of cool.
It would be scary if like dinosaurs were real.
That would be scary. Oh look, there's like a cool like palm tree area. Yeah. It's kind of cool. It's crazy how these palm trees give so much shade.
Yeah.
There's another lake over here. Or not a lake, but like a pond. It's kind of cool.
You go for it?
Yeah. Yeah. And then turn to your left when you're there. Gotta follow this route over here. Watch out, the trees. Careful with the mud. Okay. It's kind of cool. It's kind of fresh. It's just dirty. Kind of cool.
Let's see them fish.
Where?
You know what?
Oh, they were inside.
It's shiny.
There's like the survival straw that like this looks like it's not really good water, but you can drink it and it filters everything out right there and then. It's so crazy. Careful, don't slip. I think this is the Rio Grande. Like this is where all the canals. Oh, you see that? Oh, weird.
There's like little type of fish over here.
Really?
We could probably fish here. There's probably like some catfish.
Yeah, I think you can fish here. Let's go to the other side.
Look at those trees. This is so beautiful. But there's this land up there.
It's kind of cool. Catch anything, brother, or no?
Two turtles and I lost a little baby gar.
Oh, turtle?
Yeah.
You eat those or no? No?
Throw 'em back.
They say that you can do soup. I don't know if you can do them that. If the, oh, we're gonna pass by here. Yeah, I don't know if you can do soup out of them. That's what some people say. I don't know.
I'm good on that.
You're like, nah. This is cool. What else did you say you caught today?
Huh?
What else did you say you caught?
Little baby gar that I missed it.
How big?
Like probably like this big.
That's not too bad, man. Yeah, I heard that's good eating, bro.
The gar, yeah.
I've never ate one, to be honest,
That's
but.
what I'm trying to catch over there. I have like a little hand-sized tilapia on there.
Oh, do you? Okay. Yeah, man. I got a friend. My cousin works at a barbershop. His friend does that. Like he does try to catch gar,
Yeah.
and then just sells it to people. You know,
I like
fillets it
gar.
and everything.
Gar's good.
Yeah, that's cool, man. I've never tasted it personally, but everybody says it's good. Hell yeah. You barely came out here. You've been out here a while.
Yeah, I just got here like 30 minutes.
Not too bad, man. Shit.
2 turtles so far.
All right, man. Well, good luck. You guys want to try going down there? Try it. Wait.
Is there like alligators here?
There could be. Oh yeah, for sure there is. But I don't. There could be here some too.
Oh, no, me some.
Okay. I don't know. Something about being outdoors, man. Something about feeling the. I personally don't like sweating. I hate sweating. But if you can give me a view, if you can give me something to do while I'm sweating, I don't mind that. And just like seeing everything, seeing a nice little route, you know, scenic route while we're walking is just gives me something to sweat for. Okay, so we're out here and there's these little, I want to say they're like weeds,
Smells like
part of the weed family, but check it out. You go up close, like for example these, you go up close and you touch them and watch how they close. Let's try it again. Look at those, touch them, they close. Touch this one, closes. Touch these, they close. Weird.
and we got a
This is us after the trail. Kind of tired, but it was a fun time. All right, we'll just come back and do it
Me
again.
llamas cuando se va a hacer pelado y yo me jalo, mami me encanta, dime qué tranza. Si supieran que por tu culpa me la paso